Can Cardano recover? Is the big question everyone wants to be known, and where exactly is Cardano heading to? So in today's video, we're going to be covering exactly where Cardano is at the moment, where I see price heading to, and what's the next possible option in terms of where price is heading to. So jumping straight in, you can see here straight away highlighting the lows. If anything, Cardano is more closer to its all-time lows compared to all-time high. The highs being around that $3.20 region compared to the lows around that cent region. Right now you can see as well these supports are going to be touched in right here. The support formed around late last year, December. You can see that right now in this month of September, it seems to be tapping into that as well. Going into daily time frame, you can see the amount of times this support has been touched over here as well. Around June, that wick rejection in that region as well, which obviously you can see hasn't actually stayed below it. So it has tapped into this region around that 20-cent region before jumping up to around that 40-cent region. So if you were able to pick up some here, it would have been a nice double on your profit as well if you were able to tap into that region. Also, you can see the amount of times of rejection on the support around here, multiple times around this region. So you can really see where exactly the trend and the price is heading to at the moment. So just be aware of this region. If I do see a candle within the daily, weekly or monthly, especially below this 20-cent region, there is a good possibility of taking short positions towards the lows around that 10-cent to 15-cent region. So just be aware of the support level right now. Again, going back on monthly time frame, again you can see where price is going. This resistance level around here as well has not been touched for quite some time. Around the start of the year, you can see this resistance was formed around that 40-cent region. It was tapped in here, tried to break above, but it didn't actually break above. Again, zooming into it, you can see around here as well, it did try to break above. It did a massive rejection, creating that doji candle before breaking these level of resistances here. So just be aware of this massive support level around that 20-cent region. If again end of this month this breaks, there is a good clean range over here, so there is a big possibility of it dropping further down here, possible retest around this region before going down to this level. So if you do want to take short positions, if you guys do take short positions, there is a good possibility of that as well. Again, jumping into the daily time frame, I'm just going to reset the chart here. There is a massive range that's being played at the moment. Even jumping onto the 4-hour time frame, you can see what exactly is happening if you guys do scalp positions. So just zooming into here, you can see that there is a upward channel forming here. So again, when there's an upward channel, there is a big possibility of it forming a patterns like these, like that, before breaking this. Possible retest on this channel before breaking the lows again. So just be aware of exactly what's been played out. Again, there's a massive ranges between these levels. There's ranges between a very short amount range around that 25-cent to 26-cent level, but zooming out, you have to look at the perspective, the amount of ranges that's been happening. There's a downward range down here, there's ranges over here, there's range over here as well. So especially with Cardano at the moment, just be a bit careful in terms of even taking scalp positions, and I'll definitely be waiting in terms of long-term positions for that region over here to be broken. If there is, just be aware of these next level of supports over here as well. So in terms of short positions, just be aware of this, just of this support level here before taking any shorts. And if you want to take any long positions, I'll definitely be waiting for a double bottom pattern to be formed before taking longs, especially because of the tops over here and to where it is at the moment. There's obviously a big chance of it going up to this level here and obviously forming a huge amount of profit as well. So just be aware, especially right now where it is at the moment is very much pretty much the bottoms. So just be careful in terms of where you want to put your positions. Make sure you don't fall for the trap of it being a hype and all that sort of things as well. So guys, I'm going to wrap this video up here. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment on all these videos so I could keep updated, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.